Mother was my English teacher at St. Joe's.
That's not going to help you. It's not going to hurt you either, but just stop giving these girls a hard time down there.
They're not professional.
No, that is not true. I'll place them up against anybody in the state.
You're fair. That's why I voted for you.
All right. Okay.
She's a dirty cop.
She is not. Now watch what you're saying.
This defendant walked into court 2 weeks early for his arraignment and expected Judge McNally's staff to drop everything and help him because poor Mr. Morris has to get to a job interview in half an hour, and he is demanding discovery for charges that the court hasn't even processed yet. And we're not talking about crimes of the century here. They're noise violations. This guy alternates between brown-nosing Judge McNally and leveling crazy claims against the staff and the police for the entire hearing. A hearing that puts Judge Dad behind on everything else. Let's roll, Earth.
You step up here and tell me your name, sir. Your name?
Benjamin Chester Morris. Your mother was my English teacher at St. Joe's.
That's not going to help you. It's not going to hurt you either, but
I'm trying to
listen, you're raising hell down there with all these people the last few days, I'm hearing. Just calm down here. Nobody's going to treat you bad. So why'd you come in early today? Your court date isn't today.
I understand that. I was trying to acquire a motion for discovery for both charges. Well, 4 charges.
What 4 charges? I only have 1 in front of me. It's a noise violation.
There's an additional charge.
That's assigned to Judge Hessen.
It's assigned to you, and I'm wishing be reassigned to you because I believe you're the fairest judge.
Now, wait a second. She's fair too. Yes, she is. Stop, please. Stop. You don't get to pick who your judge is. Do we have an order granting discovery here, Lisa?
Yes, I already gave it to him, Judge.
Hand that up to me, will you please? What do you want? Tell me what you want, Mr. Morrison. Hand that up your order. I'm sorry, Mr. Morris.
It's okay. I don't have it executed and completed at this time because I've been so busy, so it's blank.
Well, tell me what you want, though. Let me see the order granting discovery. Let me see that.
It's just a blank piece.
I know, but it says order granting discovery on it, right?
I'll pull it up on my file. I get it for you. Just relax, please. I'm not telling you to relax. It just takes me a second to go.
Well, I know, but you said I'm trying to help you. You said you got a job interview in
I do. I got it in 22 minutes.
I don't usually call cases when they're not scheduled on my docket.
I talked to Mr. Bologna, and he told me you're here now. Walk right into the courtroom and talk to the court reporter. That was per his instruction.
All right, okay. Just stop giving these girls a hard time down.
They're not professional.
No, that is not true. I'll place them up against anybody in the state. That is not true.
Well, that
is not true. Listen, don't start giving me a hard time about the staff, okay? That is absolutely not true. Hand me up what you got, and I'll take a look. This is a noise violation, right? It's all it is?
all it is.
You're acting like it's a...
Any ticket that I get is important.
I understand. I just don't have people giving me discovery orders on noise violations.
Well, I already filed a FOIA for the body cam footage. And I just left Trenton Police Department, and they won't give it.
Call in Mr. Bologna, will you?
I don't understand why they won't give it to me.
Hang on a second. Hang on. Just let me fill something out, will you? I'm going to get you out of here. I promise you.
Thank you. I saw you on court cam one time and you told the guy you weren't going to railroad him. And I feel like you won't railroad me.
All right. She won't either. None of us do here. We're good. We're
You're fair. That's why I voted for you.
all right. Okay. Okay. Mr. Bologna. Mr. Bologna.
Yes, Your Honor.
We have this is a noise violation case. He wants you want the video footage or what is it, Mr. Morris? What do you want?
Anything in regards to it that I can defend myself against Mr. Bologna.
All right, but I don't know what you're asking. Is there a dash cam or is it video? Do you have anything?
I have not looked at it, Your Honor. I believe he still has to be arraigned. That hasn't even been arraigned yet on this charge. And what I've explained to him is once he's arraigned, we will submit a formal discovery order. He will get every single thing that
Here,
he has.
I want you to sign this. Here's what I'm writing down here, okay? NEL dash cam / videos regarding the incident in question.
Your Honor, if I make it.
Just wait 1 second.
No problem.
Date of offense 10/3/25. Okay. Now, yeah, he's got to go to a job interview. Can you just approve this as the form, or you want me just to order this on my own?
I could approve as a form.
Take a look at it. That's what I include. Any note besides the general language, any note dash cam / videos regarding the incident in question.
Your Honor,
Yes.
can it be unredacted? I'm defending myself.
What do you mean unredact? They're not going to redact anything.
Be that as it may, I just wanted it on the record that I'm requesting it unredacted.
But they're saying here from the Records Bureau, November 5th, you gave me this. Oh, wait a minute. This is November 5th of 2005. All right, whatever. I'm just going to indicate, are you representing yourself or do you want a lawyer?
I'll take a court-appointed lawyer. A good one.
Here's what I'm going to do. I'm signing the order, Lisa. I want you to process this order in relation to this noise case. I can't possibly have them give all these files to you, sir, at this point.
What if I was?
Just please listen to me. Take back your paperwork. I have one file in front of me. If you want to get the rest of these, I'll be happy to give you orders. Lisa, can you get Heather, because I'm going to do Judge Hessen's docket for a while today. Can you ask Heather to write out all the case numbers that he's got? I'm assuming they're all out of Trenton. That's in front of Judge Hessen. She can write down what I put down as number 6 here, and then she can bring them to me and we'll get the orders entered. Is that, if she has time? And she should, because Judge Hessen's not here right now. So can you ask her to do that for me, please?
You want a discovery order filled out for all those?
Yeah, I filled out the one on the only case that's in her. I don't know the case numbers or anything like that. Just ask her to.
Yep, I'll do it right now. I'll do it.
Perfect. Thank you. Mr. Bologna, would you take this down to my judicial clerk, please?
No problem.
And then we'll take care of these, okay? Yes, sir.
Your Honor, if I may. I also wish I've been trespassed from Burligan's Pub on 4th Street by TV Diner. There's body cam footage. Excuse me, not body cam footage. I misspoke.
Listen to me.
There's footage
Listen to
from
me.
inside the.
Listen to me.
Footage inside the.
Please listen to me.
I didn't bring.
I didn't say you did. I don't know anything. Stop.
Sir.
Stop. I can't just start signing orders and documents on cases I don't have before me here. You're coming in 2 weeks early. I'm trying to accommodate you, but I can't pull out all these files and start signing orders. When are those up for arraignment, Lisa? Mr. Bologna, just do me. Go ahead.
The Judge Hessen cases are next week, and then yours are the 20th. Hers are the 13th.
This one was up on the 20th. You can talk to her on the 13th. How long ago did these incidents happen? Ago.
My concern, I have to look through my file. It happened approximately 8 to 9 days ago. The point of the matter is, Your Honor, that there's body cam footage that shows the officer swooping behind me doing a ninja move.
That might be.
And I need that body cam footage so she can see it so I can.
You're going to have to present that to Judge Hessen. I'm sorry.
She's a dirty cop. She's a dirty cop.
She is not. Now watch what you're saying. Watch what you're saying. That is not true. Come on. Now go down the hall, take that order over to Trenton. They'll give you a copy of it, and you're going to have to go in front of Judge Hesson. I'm sorry. I've suddenly got all these cases. I just can't deal with this right now. I'm sorry. Okay, so you're going to have to talk to her. It's not my case. Okay, I don't interfere she doesn't interfere in my cases, and I'm not interfering in hers.
Now, Master,
No, we're done. I got to go on. You got an interview to get to. Okay, come on. Please listen to what I'm saying. Go down and get that other order on that case. Robert Lewis Thornton Jr.
Your Honor, where should I go from here? Where do you want me to go from?
Why don't you go down there and I can give you the order on the case I just signed. They'll give you the order on the case I just signed. You can serve it on the police.
I can't. Are you talking to me?
The order, you can go down the hall. They'll give you a copy of the order I just signed. You can take it to the police department. But stop raising hell with those people down there. I'm telling you. Do not give those girls a hard time. I mean it, Mr. Morris. I mean what I'm telling you. Now back away from the podium. I went out of my way to accommodate you. I'm going to be fair with you, but you're not going to treat them like they're dogs. I mean it. Thornton, Robert Lewis Thornton Jr., 25W837260. And I also have 25T644914B. Your name?
Robert Thornton Jr.
You're charged with failure to pay your fines and costs as ordered. You were supposed to pay those at the rate of $100 weekly beginning August the 4th of 25. We have a balance still owing according to probation as of the date of the show cause of $470. That's count one. Count two is that you failed to clear all your warrants by August the 25th of 25. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And you also have a no insurance charge. Does he owe, is that right, Lisa? Does he owe,
$470.
how much, can you pull that up, Jennifer?
You have GIS. Is that what I need?
Okay, that's all right. Can you tell me how much is owed on the no proof of insurance, Lisa, please?
$260.
So you owe $260 on the other case, and that means you could get 26 days. If I find you could have paid and didn't, that is, your failure to pay was not without your fault. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And you understand all your rights on this advice of rights?
Yeah.
You read it?
Yeah.
Understood it?
Yeah.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we're not going to have a trial of any kind. Do you understand that?
Honestly.
You have the right to an attorney. Be happy to provide you with one at public expense. If you would like one, would you like?
Yes.
I know we're not guilty plea on these. Either way, you're going to come back in front of me, okay?
Yes.
All right.
Judge, that no insurance has a misdemeanor attached to it that's in warrant status. I'll pull it right now.
Okay. Just give me 1 second.
Yeah, you need condition of the bond. You need it?
No, I've got everything here.
Okay.
Yeah, I got
All right, you're good.
See the probation. All right, so I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on both of these. I'm going to give you a lawyer, and then you're going to come back in front of me either way, okay?
It's my commentary. My lawyer's here.
I'm sorry?
It's my commentary for what you were saying. Like, if I just didn't pay order just because I'm not paying, that's the time for me to speak with the lawyer.
No, we're going to get you a lawyer first. And then I'm probably going to give him the other file too, or her. I don't know who's doing it. I don't think Ms. Patillo's here. So at any rate, we'll give you the other file too. We'll give him the other file or her the other file, whoever's handling this. And there's going to be another file because she just told me you have a warrant out for your arrest on something else. The companion citation on this no insurance. Okay, so you can go out in the hall. He'll set you up with a lawyer, and we'll go from there. Any questions?
No, I have to wait till my lawyer get here.
Pardon?
No, I have to wait till he goes.
Yeah, you can go talk to the lawyer. We'll set you up. Thank you. Recalling Robert Lewis Thornton Jr., 25T644-914 A and B. I now have the A file, and then also 25W837-260. Your name?
Robert Lewis Thornton.
It's my understanding now, you told my court officer and you just indicate here you don't want a lawyer. Is that true?
Yes, because more.
I don't need to hear. If you want a lawyer, I'm going to give you one. If you don't, I'm going to push. Okay. All right. Well, I already arraigned you on the two. You have failure to pay no insurance. You have failure to clear all warrants on the resist and obstruct. You also have this other file and failure to pay on that charge as well. And you also have another charge here of driving on a suspended license that I had to rearraign you. Okay? Do we understand one another?
Yeah.
So I'm going to rearraign you on charge. You're charged with driving on a suspended from February 11 to 25. They think you're operating a motor vehicle on King near Douglas and Trenton. That is a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 500 fines, 93 days jail, costs, or all those, and 2 points. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. You understand all your rights.
Yes, sir.
If you plead guilty, you're going to be giving up all these rights. We're not going to have a trial then. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You want me to enter a not guilty plea for you?
Yes, sir.
So you're going to go to the prosecutor on one. I don't know what you're doing here. Let's stop. Let me finish. You act like we're inviting you to a dinner party here, sir. You show up, you don't show up. This case been going on since March, February. No. You see all these red marks? See all those on there? Can you see that?
Yes, I know.
That means
I see your red, but yeah, thank you.
that's warrants. That means you weren't here. It means you didn't show up when you were supposed to be. I don't know what kind of game you think you're playing here, but you better stop it.
And Steve, you're saying that I'm playing games, but I'm admitting that this is why I brought myself back in here to not have a lawyer. I don't think any of this is a game. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't. So
Yeah. Don't give me this holier than thou stuff. You don't show up. You don't take care of what you're supposed to take care of.
Okay.
I'm sending you over the prosecutor. I'm entering a not guilty plea. You missed here, just so you know. Just so you know, you missed on March 6, March 20, July 10, August 7th.
Stay in Providence.
I'm sorry?
Stay in Providence.
I don't care if you stay in Tuscaloosa. What does that have to do with anything?
Respond into your question parts.
Go talk to the prosecutor on, and that's going to Judge Hessen. These two are mine, and I will deal with the contempt charge on the no insurance and the probation violation on the resist and obstruct. So you go talk to the prosecutor on that one. If you still wish to waive your right to a lawyer on that, I'll send you to the prosecutor on that case. You can talk to him. And then you're going to come back in front of me on, if there's a resolution on that case, I'm going to send you to Judge Hessen. If there's not, then I'll do what I'm going to do, set a bond. And then on these two, we're going to go through these, talk about your violations of probation and your failure to pay on the civil infraction. Okay?
Yeah. I'm still lost between the fact that you're telling me why I didn't want a lawyer, and then you're saying that I just blew everything under water. But when I try to elaborate more on the situation,
Sure.
just downing everything I'm saying without any reason.
Sure.
And I don't.
This is
you're in a job. I don't have the tedious job to where I'm jumping back and forth.
Sure.
And I have.
Sir, it's the fourth quarter. There's 2 minutes to go and you're down 41-3. I don't want to hear it. Go talk to the prosecutor. This case has been going on since February. Take your attitude out in the hallway. Norbert Pastors, 25T644584. Come on up, Mr. Thornton. Recalling Robert Lewis Thornton Jr., 25T644914B and 25W837-260. Your name? All right, so I'm going to go ahead. You have a probation violation here of failure to pay your fines and costs as ordered, 470, and failure to clear all your warrants by August 25th. And then you have, on the other case in front of me, you have a failure to pay 260. So actually it's Judge Hessen's, but I'll just go ahead and handle that. You still wish to proceed without a lawyer?
No, I was able to elaborate. I want a lawyer to sign.
Pardon?
No, I want a lawyer.
Okay, no problem. We'll give you a lawyer. Go out in the hallway, get him a lawyer, John, and then you'll come back in front of me, okay? Come on up here, Mr. Thornton.
Anybody that's in person for Judge Hefson can go back down to her courtroom. She's back. If you're in person for Judge Hefson, go back down to her courtroom.
Okay,
I'll get the files and stuff.
your name.
Good morning, Judge. Matthew Gates, Karen, that was the phone. State of English.
Sir, your name.
Robert Louis Clark Jr.
All right. Okay, what do we do? I almost need to get off this bench for a minute.
Mr. Thorne, you're judge on a stroke cause.
I know. What is he going to do? He's got a case in front of Judge Hessen that he's going to have to go in front of Judge Hessen.
Okay.
But these two, I've got a failure to pay $260, and then I've got on a probation violation on the resist and obstruct that was taken under 771. Failure to pay fines and costs of $470,
For the person.
and failure to clear all warrants by August 25th.
Yes, sir.
So how's he going to proceed?
Don't plead guilty to failure to pay.
What about, and he's going to plead guilty also to failure to clear his warrants?
Yes, Judge.
Is that what you want to do, sir? If you do that, that would be 2 technical violations. You could get 10 days. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
Yes, sir.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights and there will be no hearing. Do you understand that?
Understood.
All right. You have any questions before I ask you how you plead?
No.
And you understand if you plead on this other case, I'm talking about the failure to pay no insurance, that you could get 26 days on. You can be incarcerated 1 day for every $10 owed. You can satisfy that in full by paying the whole amount, in full by serving 26 days, or in part by payment, in part by serving jail. So you could pay 130 and only have to serve 13 days. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. Is the count one on the probation violation to the charge that you failed to pay your fines and costs as ordered, balance owing 470? How do you plead?
Yes.
Did you fail to pay on that? Anybody force you to plead guilty? Is the count two that you failed to clear all your warrants by August 25th? How do you plead?
Yes.
Did you fail to clear your warrants on that, on this case as ordered, all of them by August 25th
Yes.
of 25?
Yes, sir.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
All right, I'm gonna accept those pleas. Okay? Find those pleas made voluntarily and understandingly. And now go into the insurance to the charge you failed to pay $260. How do you plead?
Yes.
Did you fail to pay?
Yes, sir.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
Boy, you came back in with a different attitude. That's good to see. All I was trying to tell you, you cannot do this. You cannot not show up. You cannot ignore court orders. I'm sure your lawyer told you not to act like that. I mean, no matter how you cut it on this case in front of Judge Hessen, I'm going to let you talk to her about it. You didn't show up. You've been playing with this case for 9-10 months. What do you have to say? What's he doing? Does he work?
He does work, Judge. It's just been a financial issue.
Where does he work and how much does he make?
He works, he's a painter at All Face Painting, Judge. He makes about $20 an hour. However, because the work is somewhat seasonal right now, his hours have been diminished. So he only does about roughly averages about 25 hours. So he does get paid weekly, but Judge, again, after his father passed away, he became homeless in that stable residence. He's been trying to get his living situation together. And so he's been having to put out of pocket a lot of costs in order to do that.
He usually needs to learn some more humility. That's what he needs to learn. What do you want me to do?
We would ask the court just to allow him more time, Judge, to wrap this up, because he did assure me that he can go, if the court would allow an extension, he can catch back up and pay this off. That's what his entire intent
I'll
was.
tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to set it for sentencing on the probation violation, okay? And you're going to come up with some money. I'm going to give you some time. I placed you on probation for 12 months, so it's not a big hurry. We're going to set a sentencing on that in 1 month, and we're going to set a sentencing on the no insurance in 1 month, okay? And you're going to come up with some money. All right? You understand? And I can tell you, you better go over and surrender on those warrants, too.
And that was the other issue, Judge, because of the number of warrants, in order.
How many warrants do we have?
I believe I counted 8.
No. You came in here like you were a choir boy, and you got warrants all over the place.
If I may.
Yeah.
He's only that, but I'm gonna say to make sure I appear. I don't have rights. I don't have no reliable.
How'd you get here today?
I walked and I
From where?
my stepmother's and I had a hard time.
Wait a minute, slow down. Where did you stay last?
True Wood.
True.
Right in Woodhaven. That's about a 44-minute walk.
You want to appear on Zoom? I'll let you appear on Zoom. You know how to use Zoom?
Yes.
Lisa, let's give him a sentence date about 5 weeks out, okay? And he can come up with some money and he can get his life in order and come back with an attitude more like he has now than when he came in front of me the first time. So we could do like mid-December. How's that?
That works.
December 8th at 8:30.
That works.
Okay? Humility, right?
Yes.
Humility. I've never seen so much with people blaming the system. I mean, you know, everybody's blaming the system. The system's horrible. The system's horrible. It's the same system we had 30 years ago. The only thing I could tell we've got, and there's a lot more people that have a lot more disrespect. You're going to take this one down to Judge Hessen, and she'll handle that. And I'm going to do these Zoom cases. Okay? Good luck to you, sir. Go down, listen to me. Go down the hall, get your notices. And you're going to first go down and get your notices. Mr. Gaith will take this over to Judge Hessen. And then after you get your notices, you go down and meet Mr. Gaith in the other court thing.